it's me, Sonic Prime. Today we will play on with my friends. Sonic Boom, but he named himself Pro Sonic. Okay. Are you ready for flag capture and day-to-day map?
Yes.
Let's go! Lol. Okay. How is that is that possible? Okay. Okay. Killing time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Look at my shoes. Oh. Not so bad. Arriving in Faker. Searching, look what fell on me. I lost me. He don't know where is he going in my today from my hand. Why did not let fight out? Let's stop the song. Okay. Hey, Pro Sonic. Maybe we lose because the map didn't start from the beginning. Okay. Now, prepare to win, bro. Just win, please. Just win. Okay. Hey, the coach is playing this game because a person named Ghost. A person named Ghost. Okay. Let's go. Hey, Pro Sonic, protect our flag. Pro Sonic, hey, Pro Sonic, are you not listening? Please protect our flag. Our flag is going to be captured. If you, okay, oh yeah, Pro Sonic, please protect me. Just protect me. Yeah, first touchdown. Hey, that's it. We are just 2 and they are 3. That's not fair, bro. Bro, that's not fair. Am I right or wrong? Hey, Pro Sonic, protect our flag. Okay. What you are thinking? You are smart enough to beat me, but you are so okay, I'm going to steal the flag. Okay. Oh no! Oh yes! Yes, Pro Sonic, please just protect me to win because I steal their flag. I am behind you, bro. Okay. Time for some death in over the flag. Images me. Help! Just protect me, bro. Just protect me. Okay. But I am going to die. Please, no! No, I just steal their flag. Oh, good job, bro, buddy. My buddy, little buddy. Okay, just, hey, did you kill me? You didn't. Bro, okay. Please, mommy. Good. Please, protect me. Pro Sonic Boom or Pro Sonic. Please, protect me. Yeah. We are just 2 and they are 3. Lol. They can't even win with 100. With 100k maybe. Okay. Pro Sonic, please protect me. Do a headshot. No! Yes! Run! run, my friend, please. No! It's time from Okay. Okay. I stole their flag, bro. What am I missing? What am I? Oh no! No, bro. Why is it? Okay. 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 I am at first. Okay. Enemy return their flag. I don't care, bro. I just want to steal their flag. Yeah, victory. Bro. Okay, let's start from next. Okay, just protect me, please. Just protect me. So, you are my little buddy. Please, just. Oh, what the hell? I just do a headshot. Too far beyond the wall. How is that? The loser left the game. The loser is going to die. Oh my life. In the wide. In the rider. In the wide. OMG. In the beat. The ghost just go. The game and wide away. In the light. OMG. You can't survive. I can't believe I am protecting you because I am your not bodyguard. You just collapse. So why? I am protecting you, West. Hey, don't. Hey, bro. Just get. Oh no! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, my mistake of that. What a bad luck, loser. Loser, loser. You have bad luck. Bad luck. What a bad luck, bro. What a bad luck. Okay. Head. I am a wolf. You are not a wolf. You are just a human, okay? Iron. Stupid face. No! Fly, buddy, fly! I am going to stall in the natural fly. Yeah! Yeah! Oh no! Okay. Okay. But I will protect you. Oh no. Oh wow. I just got. No! Take the flag back. Hurry, bro. Bro, hurry. They are team working. Kill! Yeah! Just take the flag back. I am going to steal this. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why did Headshot! I am going to that daddy No, no. Bro, come over here. Headshot! Headshot! Head. No! Yeah, there's a good news that their flag is in the sky, in the right. Custard. Okay. Look who is the first. I am. No. Okay. This will be will be the last battle. Okay, guys. Okay, let's kill. Oh. Capture the fleet. Oh. That's not hard. Because I am the best. Hey, buddy. Just protect me, please. I will protect you. Okay. No, Sonic. Hey! Get in! You, buddy. Okay. I take my bag, black bag. Okay. Good job, Sonic. Hey, Pro Sonic, can I say you Sonic Boom because you really are Sonic Boom? Can I say you Sonic Boom? Yes or no? Tell me, bro. Our flag is stolen by our losing, bro. Kill him, yeah. Oh. Run! Protect me! Okay. Yeah! Mario? What the hell? Sonic Mario? I'm thinking about that person. Sonic plus Mario is equal to noob. Yeah! Run! Okay. Bro, Sonic, protect me. Okay, I am flying in the sky. Hey, please, someone just protect me. Please. Okay. Let's do some headshot. Okay. Lol. Even. So bye guys, because it is our last match. Please like and subscribe.